People migrate due to many factors. يهاجر الناس بسبب عدة عوامل. Early humans migrated because of changing climate and for food supply. يعني الكائن البشري القديم كان هاجر بسبب تغير الجو أو للبحث عن الطعام. Nowadays في هذه الأيام many people immigrate to run away from natural disasters. في هذه الأيام يهاجر كثير من الناس للهروب من الكوارث الطبيعية natural disasters, wars الحروب, or to find better work أو للبحث عن عمل أفضل. Migration has advantages and disadvantages. It may give you better chances for work or education. You could meet new people, learn about a new culture, and learn a foreign language. On the other hand, you would be away from your family, friends, and country. So you would be homesick. Homesick يعني حنين للوطن. عندك شعور بفقد الوطن. Finally, migration is a rewarding and difficult experience. You should think carefully before deciding to emigrate.